Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook Lite account. So first of all, swipe up and just find the Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. After, make sure you will have logged in, and we will move in the top right corner of three lines. Now scroll down, just finding settings and privacy. Again, just tap on its settings icon, and as you can see that account center. So I want to just see more in account center. After, you will see the personal details, so I want to just tap on it as well. As you can see, account ownership and control, so I want to just get in, and as you can see, the deactivation or deletion, so I want to just tap on it. So just select the profile you want to delete. So deactivate means that temporary delete your account, and you can just anytime you will be just reactivate. And if you want to just deleting your account permanent, so just select the second option and just tap on it, continue, and just give them a password or the reason why are you just delete your account. So that's it. In this way you will just have to delete Facebook Lite accounts. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.